This week you're working on Module 6. Click on Modules, and Module 6 is on mail merge. This is a task that you could use for your personal use as well in sending out labels, printing out labels that you can use to send out Christmas cards, etc. So there are a lot of different uses for mail merge, both in business and in personal. Here are the tasks that you will learn. Insert mail merge fields, edit the main document, complete a mail merge, create and edit a data source, sort and filter records, and convert a table to text, which is a highly used skill in other things other than just mail merge. So mail merge has a main document, which would be your letter or your labels, and then it also has a data source, which could be a database or it could be in a table of information. These are like if you were doing labels for your wedding, then it could be the database of the addresses, the names and addresses of those you're going to invite to a wedding, and then create labels for those. Be sure you start with reading the module, doing the training, then the project, which I will give you feedback on after you've tried it twice, so you can try it a third time, and then project 2, which is kind of like your quiz for the chapter. Start with reading the module so you have a general idea about mail merge. Watch the videos, which you can also see when you're doing the training. Remember that in training, you can read the intro first, watch the video. You can even practice the video with you working along with the video, and then finally the apply, which you have to do for a grade. The apply has to be 100% for it to record it. If you have any problems with that, just let me know and I will help you with it. And your project. The project this time is a mail merge. This is your main document that you see on the screen and what yours should look like when you're finished. So pay close attention to the details of the instructions. Like here, after the date, there's only one return. When you're inserting fields like these, notice there's a space after the first field between title and first name. You have to hit the space bar and enter those. The same thing with first name and last name. City, comma, space, state, space, then zip code. The same thing with dear, title, and then the last name. Those are the fields that will be added in there when you complete the merge for all those in your database. Notice this also is on, the letter is also on one page. The table is on a separate page by itself. And then a preview of one of those where it's actually added the people's names and information is on the next page. So it's Mr. Period, space, Adam, space, Ludgate. If you had not added those spaces in there, then it would all be run together and hard to read. Again, be sure you follow each of the instructions and look at the example in the book before you have finished. Have a great week.